Hey, what's up? We're back at the track with the Camaro. Trying to get it dialed in. We got a 6-0 race next week I want to try to come to. So my goal for this test session is to try to get me a 6-0 tune and work on my package, work on my lights, try to get it dialed in. Still on the radios. So the track radio prep tonight. It's gonna be slick prep next week. I wanna see how that's gonna affect it. And I still got the different gear ratio in the transmission. Still haven't changed it in the rear end yet. So I wanna see how that works before I see if I need to change the rear end gear. I'll change the transmission back. So moral of the story, I want to make me as many test hits as I can on the 6-0 before next week. So we're gonna start right here. -5 at 5 degrees, and I'm gonna ramp it to 15 degrees at 1 second. So minus, I want to put my minus sign in. Minus 15 degrees at 1 second. I hope it gets up in the RPM and get up high enough RPM to keep climbing with this gear. But I'm gonna test it and see. That's all I can do. And then I'm gonna keep it at 15 degrees of timing out until 6.00. And at that point, put 0.1. I'm gonna pull out 0. Oh, I gotta put 6.00 here. Keep it at 15. First time doing this year, so I'm kind of rusty. Keep it at 15. Then put 6.01. 0. Because if you get to 6.01 into the run, it's not running too fast anyway, so it won't break out. So I need all my timing. So we're gonna try right there. Put the tire pressure back where it was last time and lower my shift light. I'll be going around for some testing. Hey y'all, we're in the water box. Waiting to make our first hit. Something happened to the car in front of us, so we're waiting on them to clean the track. Alright y'all, so I made the first pass on a 595 with a 7 on the 15 miles per hour. It's up about 2 miles per hour higher than I wanted. So kind of tell me it's making more power. I might pull another degree of timing, and I think I hit my shift points pretty close to 7,000 where I want it, but I'm gonna look at the run and see and make up my mind what I want to change next. Go to run, you can see I hit the shift point nowhere near how I want it. And I looked at my shift light, it had moved on me, so I had moved back to the old shift point. You can see where I started pulling the timing right here. I laid the motor over and the clutch locked up, kept going. But so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave everything the same and try to hit my shift points where I want it. The high side rail limiter should have caught it. Let me check that. I must have didn't load my old program or something. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, look at here. I never changed my max rail limiter. Put that on 75. Like I said I was gonna do. Let me make sure I got all my lunch retards and stuff. Oh, that's right. Keep the lunch the same. That's why you test. That's why you test. So I'm gonna leave everything the same. Try to hit my shift point where I supposed to hit them at. And if I miss shift points, so the rail limiter catch it. See what I do. Make sure I'm sending everything to the computer. Got it. Alright. Alright, y'all. So I made the second pass. Went the wrong way. Going faster. Picked up miles per hour. I don't know. I think I hit my shield point. I don't know. Glad to see that light though. That showed me that I can go red. 0004. So I'm good right there. I had some concerns about if this gear ratio is gonna react like I needed it to, but I think I got something to work with. At first run I was 30 to 39. And the 60 foot is exactly the same. That's why I was changing my gear ratios to get consistent in the 60 foot. Well, they were both 133. This one with a 4, this one with a 8. No, this one with a 5. So yeah, that's the same right there. But I picked up miles per hour. So I think I'm gonna have to pull some timing out of it. I'm gonna pull some more time, and go around and try it again if I have time. Alright, y'all, so I got me another run in, and I figured out what was going on. When I first went in, it changed my base timing from 34 to 30, because I was saying that's where all my data is for 6.0. It didn't save to the computer. So my base timer was at 34, so when I thought I was pulling 15 degrees from 30, I was only pulling 15 from 34, so I was running 4 degrees more. So on that run, I figured it out, kept 15 degrees out of it, and still shift lower to try to make sure I get working on my shift points in the 607. So I'm kind of heading in the right direction. That reaction time was 15 on the tree, so I think I'm okay for the first test section. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, make some more runs, keep trying to get it dialed in. Appreciate y'all watching.